Hello. So, hello. So Gigabyte recently added two new AMD Radeon cards in their lineup, and they are RX 9060 XT and RX 9070 XT. Why they are so special? Because they are gaming OC Ice versions, which means they are white. They haven't had white versions of those two models in their lineup, and they added them last month. So as we can see, the design of the box has changed slightly. The colors are a little bit different. And let's take a look inside. Inside of this soft cardboard box, there's a harder cardboard box. There's some paperwork. This is a quick guide. And the graphics card itself is in anti-static nylon bag. There's nothing else. Let's open the bag. And as you can see, the design of the graphics card hasn't changed, only the colors have changed. We have a gray tone here on the back, and this is a white tone on the front shroud, which is plastic. And also here we have a cover for the Gigabyte sign, which is RGB LED. The card itself comes from the factory with nylon on the Gigabyte sign and on the little cover, which we can take down. The sticker is here to prevent the movement of the cover. And the cover itself has some more nylon. And that's basically all of the protection of the card. There are of course plastic covers for the display ports and HDMI, and also for the PCI Express connector. So this card is powered by RDNA 4 architecture. Like we said, this is an RX 9060 XT GPU. It has 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 VRAM, with the GPU and VRAM communicate via a 128-bit memory interface. The cooling is pretty well known. It's a WindForce cooling system from Gigabyte, and they use Hawk fans, and of course there's a server grade thermal conductive gel in between the cooler and in between the heatsink and the chips. The structure is reinforced by this metal plate, and the GPU on this card boosts up to 3320 megahertz. The game clock is 2780 megahertz. So that's it. The details and the performance will be in the written article on the website. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.